The first options under the Tag tab we're going to cover are the Start from Current or Start from Number options. Start from Current means that if we go to run this automatic, we should start the sequence from whatever the current number is on the drawing. And we're going to show you how to locate where the current number is shortly. The other option is to give PractiCAD a number you would like it to start from. For example, if we say choose Start from Number, and when we run the automatic, we give a value of 50, regardless of what the current number is on the drawing, every time we run this automatic, it's going to start the numbering from 50. So what we're going to do is we're going to choose Start from Current. Now currently under our Selection tab, we've got duck line forward. So PractiCAD is going to prompt us to choose the beginning of the duck line. Conditions, we have everything checked. Placement, we've chosen every single angle to put it in the center. And now what we've got for tag is Start from Current. We're now going to press OK. When we do that, you can see in the command line that PractiCAD is saying to please select the fitting. That's because our selection criteria is duck line forward, so it wants to know where to start. Before we hit here, let's go into the workbox and take a look at the field for piece number. Currently, you can see in the field for piece number, it says number 1. This is the current number. Whatever we put in this field will now be the current number on the drawing. So if we'd like to run this automatic right now from piece number 1, and we're going to click on this fitting, you can see that it starts to count from number 1, which is the current number, and then it runs it right down the line. If we were to delete what we've just done, change the current number to number 25, and then run the automatic again, and we're going to do that by going into the auto number icon on the automatic panel. PractiCAD would have saved the settings from the last automatic we ran, so we don't need to change anything in the numbering section, and we're just going to say Start from Current. This time we're going to press OK, but since the current number happens to be at 25, when we click on this fitting, PractiCAD is going to start the number at 25, which is the current number. Now what we're going to do is, once again, we're going to undo that numbering sequence. We're going to go back into the auto numbering icon. And here we're going to go to the Tag tab, and we're going to change Start from Number. And this time we're going to use it at the number 50 we've numbered. So what that means is when we run this automatic, we need to start from number 50. So we're going to press OK. PractiCAD is going to prompt us to select a fitting. We're going to click on it, and PractiCAD is now going to number it using the number 50 to start. So that is the difference between Start from Current Number, which is listed here, and Start from Number. Now you'll notice that because we've numbered the drawing currently all the way to 56, that the current number happens to be on 56. So if we were to draw a couple more pieces of duct on our drawing, and then we're to use the numbering automatic that we've already created here, we're going to say Auto Number. We're going to click on that icon. We're going to go back into the Tag tab, and we're going to say Start from Current. And if we use Start from Current, it's going to simply pick up where we just left off. In other words, it's going to start from right here. The current number in our workbox, 56. So when I say duck line forward, it's now going to go 56, 57, and 58. So that is how to use Start from Current and Start from Number. The next three options we have under the Tag tab are Do Not Place Tag, Create and Place Tag, and Select and Place Tag. The first one we're going to go over is Do Not Place Tag. PractiCAD has the ability to number the duct without actually placing a tag that symbolizes the number. What we have done in the earlier tutorial is we numbered the duct with a tag. However, we can number the duct without actually putting a piece number tag on it. To do that, we would choose the option to Do Not Place Tag. What we're going to do here is we're going to press OK, and PractiCAD is going to ask us to please select the fitting in the command line because our selection criteria happens to be currently duck line forward. We have it on set by current number. Notice the current number is 1. So when we go to click on the duct now and we click, PractiCAD has just run an automatic, but we have said Do Not Place Tag. The duct has been numbered, however. If you click on this piece of duct, look in the AutoCAD property box, go to where it says piece number, you can see that that's number 1. If we let go of that fitting, we click on the second one in the drawing, and we go to the field in the AutoCAD property box, you can see here that it's labeled as piece number 2. Therefore, all the duct has gotten a number However, there is no tag to show it. So this is the ability to number the duct without showing the tag. The second and third options we have here are create and place tag and select and place tag. When you choose create and place tag, you're telling PractiCAD to create a piece number tag for you on the fly. And if you're going to do that, you need to choose some parameters, and here you can see your choices. Now this option is very rarely used. Virtually always you'll be using the select and place tag option. However, we are covering it in this tutorial. If you decide to have PractiCAD design a piece number tag for you, you're going to want to tell PractiCAD what options should be applied for this tag. All of the options here are covered in the tutorials called How to Use Auto Tagging. There they're going to explain how to use text alignment, which is going to align the text. Here we're going to say we want the number to be in the center, but we could choose left and right. We can choose the frame we want around the tag. In this tutorial, we're going to say let's use a circular frame around the number PractiCAD is going to generate. Then we need to follow a text style or choose a font and height. We can either put in a text style here and it'll follow the AutoCAD text style, or we can choose not to have a text style and then select the font we'd like to use. Here we're going to say use font text, and for height we're going to say use height 4. If we choose a text style, PractiCAD will, once we type in this field, blank or gray out these two parameters. So what we're going to do is we're going to leave the text style blank. We're going to choose the font and height. And then we've got prefix suffix. All PractiCAD is going to do right now is number, starting from the current number, put a circular frame around it, use it in the font and height we've selected, and if we'd like some text before that number or after that number, we can use prefix before, suffix for after. Once we've chosen our options, we can now press OK. Then we can click on our duct to run our automatic, and PractiCAD will create a tag for us based on the current number, and it's designed a piece number tag for us on the fly. The third option we have here is select and place tag. This is the most commonly used option for doing piece numbering automatics. What it does is it gets rid of the parameters for create and place tag because we're no longer going to create a tag on the fly. Select and place tag means let's use a custom tag that we've built that happens to be reporting the property piece number. So you can see here, PractiCAD's opened up a drop-down list, and inside the custom type tags, underneath our default PractiCAD tags, if we open that list, we can go and choose whatever tag we'd like. Now the tag you use might be different than the one in this tutorial, but as a default, PractiCAD will come with the piece number circle tag. And it also has another piece number tag here, which is for a square border. And there's tutorials on changing these tags. Here what we're going to do is say we want to run the automatic using our custom piece number circle tag. We're going to press OK. PractiCAD is going to ask us to select a fitting because the criteria is duct line forward. We're going to pick the first piece of duct on the line. And PractiCAD is now going to place down our custom default PractiCAD tag. And you'll know that if you double click on the tag, you can see here under identification the name of the tag is piece number circle. So instead of creating a tag for us, it's utilizing our custom tag. Those are all the options currently for the tag tab.